funny, fast and free. Monkeys just like you and me. Come on, friends, don't miss the thing. Next we'll meet the Ocean King. And for narwhal swimming by underneath the Arctic sky, with a horn that shines so bright like a unicorn in ocean light. Narwhal, narwhal swimming free, happy in the deep blue sea. Twisty tusk and gentle smile, gliding gracefully mile by mile. That long horn's a tooth you see, it can grow as long as me. Narwhals swim in groups each day, in icy seas they laugh and play. Now come along, don't miss a clue. Next we'll meet a giant too. O for octopus, clever and bright, changing colors, what a sight. 8 long arms that twist and spin, waving hello with a cheeky grin. Octopus, octopus, smart and cool, hiding with ink, that's the rule. 3 kind hearts and a brain so fast, ocean genius built to last. Now come along, don't miss this show. Next is a friend you'll want to know. Before
P is for penguin, cute and bright, sliding on the ice, what a funny sight. He slips and giggles, stands up again, happy in the cold and snow and wind.
he can't fly high in the sky, but swims like a rocket zooming by.
With penguin friends in a happy line, they dance on ice, so cool, so fine.
Are you ready for the letter Q?